Hey everybody, so I got a quick video from Walmart. It's a small little haul. It's a automotive cleaning and polishing, stuff like that haul. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so these are the items I picked up from Walmart. This is a detailing, super soft detailing towels. This, I believe, it's an 8-pack. They're very, very soft. They're a lot softer than these guys. These guys are a multi-purpose microfiber towel. It's a 10-pack. These guys are definitely more coarse. The fibers are sticking to my fingers. I figured these were cheap. They weren't too bad. $4.97 and $4.94. Let me grab another light. This is just the old Vivitar light, that's why it went out. Alright, so what we have in the baggie is a couple items. I don't know, I might have to take this one back, I'm not sure. It looks like it's leaking. I was looking for a specific item from Chemical Brothers. I couldn't find it though at Walmart. I'll link a card up here for Project Farm, but Project Farm did a video on oh, what was it? It was something gel from Chemical Guys. I'm looking real quick and I took a screenshot of it. It's called Tire and Trim Gel. I couldn't find it, but I did find, because that product can be used on interior and exterior. I did find this though. It's interior exterior VRP, vinyl rubber plastic protectant. Dry to the touch, repels dirt and water, long lasting protection. Is the ultimate protection and shine enhancer for interior and exterior trim. Creates a super shine finish on any rubber, vinyl, or textured plastic surface. The easy to use protectant restores a deep black look, which I don't know why all of these talk about black. You know, not all plastic is black. But enhances its shine, protects the surface against UV solar rays. Perfect for tires, bumpers, trim pieces, bumper molding, side mirrors, and much more. Easy to protect dashboards, door panels, vinyl seats, steering wheels. So I figured I'd give this a try. It's kind of like a white creamy color. Smells pretty good. I've used the Meguiar's hot rims before, but I've never grabbed the aluminum bottle. All the ones I've ever bought were the regular standard bottle, and I just would rinse it in 10 seconds or less, so that way it didn't strip the clear coat. I'm going to give this a try. Probably not going to record a video on it, but I will do a review after I do this, because I have a lot of videos scheduled out 3 or 4 months. So by the time you guys see this, I probably would have already used it 5 or 6 times. On the same truck, I'm going to try this Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner for all wheel types. Oxygen infused cleaners, 100% pH balanced. Removes brake dust fast, spot free, great for tires and wheels. I figured I'd give this a try as well. This guy doesn't stink. A lot of the Chemical Guys stuff smells really good. I like their banana wash. Their banana wash is just awesome. But I'm gonna use these products. I'll give you guys an update, maybe 1 or 2 updates on them. How long the, you know, like this guy, the rubber and plastic and vinyl protectant. See how long the shine lasts on some of the plastics on the interior is more what I'm looking at, because I don't have any plastic on the exterior other than probably my fender flares might be plastic, but that's all I have. You know, my side steps and everything are steel. So I'm more looking at trying this on the interior because I want the, it's really dusty here, and you know, maybe this states that it will repels dirt and water, long-lasting protection. You know, I don't know how long-lasting it is, but you know, I give it a try. This guy, I'm gonna do probably 2 wheels with it. This, I will be doing 2 wheels with it, and I'm probably gonna look to see or take a picture of where these bottles are at, how much product it takes me to use to clean 2 wheels per bottle, you know. And you know, but this one's got, it looks like it leaked or something. It did fall on the floor. It was on the floor, but it slid out the bag when somebody cut me off and I slammed on the brakes. But you know, it looks like it's alright. You know, I can always just buy another one. These guys are pretty cheap. Doesn't matter what version. The aluminum is $5.98. The standard is I think this was $5.94. The standard's $5.94, and the all-purpose is $5.94. The one I normally use is in like a fuchsia purplish pink bottle. That's the one I normally use. But we'll give them a try. I'm gonna use these for the hand buffing before I use the buffer, trying to get rid of the oxidation. There's a lot of oxidation. It's not just the hood, but portions of the roof, portion above the doors on the roof liner, or the roof lining on the roof outside, by the cargo rack. There's fading up there. The top of the tailgate has fading at the very, very top by the 3rd brake light. So figured I'd try, you know, a few by hand, see how it goes, and if it works pretty well, see how it works with the buffer. I do appreciate you guys sticking around for the video. If you guys want the updates on these, let me know. I'm more than likely going to record it anyways. Just update videos. I don't know if I'm going to record physically using these. I might. But you know, if you guys tell me you guys want to see how the products work, I'll give it a try and I'll record it. I'm sure the brake dust will show back up, you know, so I can always record it again, or record me actually using the products on a vehicle's rims and wheels, because brake dust is pretty common. I cleaned it about 4 months ago and it came back, you know, so by the time this video releases, you guys can let me know if you guys want to see it in action. Even with this plastic cleaner, you can let me know and I can always record a video on it. I do appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe, smash the bell notification icon if you guys want to see future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will probably link, I'm sure Amazon has these products. I'll probably link all these for Amazon if you guys are interested in looking at them. All of these are readily available at Walmart. I've been impressed with this guy, not this version, but the magenta purple looking bottle for years, as well as because it's less than $6. And I keep buying it because it works well. I just figured I'd give the aluminum one a try because technically my American Outlaw buckshot rims are technically aluminum, and I kind of ruined a couple of my rims because I wasn't thinking, and I sprayed Purple Power on them because I didn't want to go spend 10 minutes, drive to the store and buy that. I decided to use Purple Power, and Purple Power stripped because I accidentally left it on more than a minute or so, and I wasn't paying attention. I had a dog fight, if I remember correctly, and you know, my dogs were more important than, you know, the rims. I didn't think about it, and Purple Power stripped the clear coat off of them. So be careful with Purple Power when you're using anything that's got clear coat. It does work very well on interior vinyls and seat covers, and you know, getting automotive grease out of fabric works well. Amazing. I left that in the, you know, fabric for hours, never had a problem. Just be careful when you're doing it on, you know, aluminum rims, even steel rims. You know, if it's got paint, it does strip. If it's got clear coat, it will rip that clear coat right off. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And hopefully, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!